We're trying to integrate this. What are we going to do for our first step? What would be smart? Well, we want to put it into partial fractions because obviously we can't integrate this with our skills at the moment. So this still doesn't look right, so we need to have some brackets here, so we're going to do some factorization. So perhaps we could say this is sort of equivalent to 4, and then we could go x, take an x out of all of those, couldn't we? And that would be x squared minus 4x plus 4. And then we could again factorize this, couldn't we? So this is going to be equal to what is this? I think it's this, isn't it? X minus 2. Okay. Alright, at this point, then we want to figure out what we're going to do for our partial fractions. We've got a repeated factor. So I'm going to say this is going to be equivalent to integral of a over x plus b over x minus 2 plus c over x minus 2 all squared. So that's making sense so far. And then what we can do is, well, let's find this numerator of 4. So we know that 4 is going to be equal to a multiplied by this, right? It's got to have an x minus 2 so that we've got the same denominator. And then the b must be multiplied by both x minus 2 and x. And the c just needs to be multiplied by the x because it's already got the x minus 2. So that's how we set this up. We could say let x equal, suggestion 2. Yep. Okay. So therefore we're going to have 4 equals, that's gone, isn't it? That's gone. And we're going to have 2c. So c equals to 2. Okay, another suggestion, let x equal 0. Yeah, I agree. And so we'll end up with 4 equals 4a. Gone, gone. Therefore, a is equal to 1. At this point, perhaps we can equate the coefficients, right? This gives us an x squared term, doesn't it? A times x squared. So that would be 1x squared. But hang on, how many x squareds have we got on the numerator? None. Is there anything else that makes an x squared term? The b, right? B times x. So b must be minus 1, right? So that they cancel out. Does that make sense? Yep. So I would say something like equate coefficients, therefore b equals minus 1. And now we're over here, so we can say we're going to integrate 1 over x minus 1 over x minus 2 plus 2 over x minus 2 all squared. Big brackets. This one here. Ln x. Next one. Ln x minus 2. Next one. This is not Ln, is it? So this is going to be minus, because we're going up the power to minus 1, right? So it's going to be minus 1 times this, 2, all over x minus 2 to the power of 1. Yeah. Close bracket, 4, 3. So far so good. Okay, now we're just going to plug in our details here. So ln 4 in our first bracket minus ln 2 minus 2 over 2, right? So that's minus 1, isn't it? Okay, that's the first bracket. Then we subtract and we put the 3 in. So we're going to have ln 3 minus ln 1. 3 minus 2. And then the last one is minus 2 over 1, so minus 2. So far so good. Now we use our log rules, ln 4 over 2. So ln 2 minus 1 minus ln 3 minus 2. ln 2 minus ln 3 is ln 2 over 3. Minus 1 minus minus 2 is positive 1. And that's our final answer for this. Does that make sense?